Judge, and ladies and gentlemen. The topic of my presentation is influence of the soil-pile interaction on seismic behavior in sandy condition. But we know that nowadays most of the budget of each country is spent to the construction industry to build the high building, towers, and bridge. On the other hand, some of the area have the problem, the soil problem, but we use the pile foundation to support this building, especially during the earthquake. Unfortunately, the designer, to simplify the design and analyzing, they assume and ignore the pile and soil foundation interaction during the design and analyzing. But we consider during our study soil pile interaction influence on the seismic behavior of the structure. For this reason, we develop new modeling of the soil pile interaction using the mechanical element such as dampers and spring. To determine the coefficient of this mechanical element, we use the load transfer curve developed and obtained from the geotechnical laboratory test in the different condition of soil in Malaysia. And then we consider three types of the structure to develop in the finite element model. One of these model structure sited only under the rigid ground without the soil. The second one is the structure considered supported by only the soil, and the last one in the main focus, the structure was under the soil and pile together. Each of these modeling was entered to the one software finite element model and shaken under the three different earthquakes with different magnitude of the earthquake. Finally, we find especially under the strong earthquake, the maximum displacement of the structure is decreasing. Therefore, the structure elements such as beam and the column be optimized and more economic when we consider the soil pile interaction in our design. Thank you for your attention.